Imagine a vehicle that stands upright, never falls over, and drives like a car, but only has two wheels. In the early 2010s, a small San Francisco company called Lit Motors took the automotive world by storm with the promise of the future, the C-1, a self-balancing enclosed electric bike. Not only that, it looked like a cross between a futuristic motorcycle and a spaceship. But after a few CGI videos and early prototypes that were far from convincing, the project suddenly sank, leaving many fans in a big question mark. Over the years, many thought the C-1 was already a part of failed startup history. Just as Brammo, Cake, or even Energica had fallen in the rigors of EV competition. However, the year 2025 brought a surprise. Lit Motors announced that they had secured $1.6 million in funding to continue the C-1 project. Not just resurrecting it, they claim to have started construction on the second generation of this machine, presumably to be called the X1. What makes the C-1 so unique? First, it's a fully enclosed motorcycle, with the aerodynamic design and protection of a small car. There is no handlebar, just a car-like steering wheel. There's no need to put your foot down when stopping, as the internal gyroscope system generates up to 1,700 Nm of torque, keeping it upright even on ice. The C-1 is not just a vehicle, it is a radical idea of how we move in the cities of the future. With more mature technology and a new awareness of efficient and safe personal transportation, this year could be the moment of Lit Motors' renaissance. Will we finally see the C-1 hit the streets? Or will it be another legend in the world of futuristic vehicles that never really came to be? One thing is for sure, the world is watching again. Thanks for watching.